Hurry up. I can't even pick up the chair. Anyway, we got one step done. You know what? I would recommend if you're making these, go get fucked up. And then start this. Oh, we got more. Oh, yay. We gotta do this quick, though.
We're doing it right now. They're buttered on both sides. Like that.
I see. How about some cheddar cheese?
Well, let's
how about, no, how about some cheddar cheese? You see them sizzling? They're gonna not melt the cheddar cheese. I need cheddar cheese. Thanks, buddy. Appreciate it. Ow! That hurt. Alright, we got it going on here. Let me get it going on here. Jeez, I feel like I'm at work. I don't want all these toppings. I want burgers or this. That's what I want. That's what I want. No, I want some cheese. Yeah, we got going on with some cheese. Look at this. Oh my God. Can I open a kitchen? This is sweet. Have people hand me over shit. Got it going on. Got it. What? This is a life. No more cheese?
No, that's how it's
oh my God.
Hey, we got fillers.
You guys didn't make enough cheese buns going on up in the grill. Oh, we can throw these in there. Yeah, we got room for these. No room. Oh, that's a good one. Mix. That one's mine. I'm doing that one right there. Alright, we got. Let's see. Did you guys count right? That's what I'm talking about.
Pretty sure we can count.
You think?
I did finish the 10th year of high school, Liz Natti.
10th year of high school?
10th grade, whatever.
Yeah. That was retarded. Retarded. Oh, I only need one more. There we go. Alright, so we gotta melt this back again because we're waiting on grilled cheeses to do. That's gross. Anyway, we'll be back. Thanks for joining in. Empty. Done. Done. Quit filming me. Quit. I gotta. What? I'm done. Quit. What are you doing over there, Mr.
I'm getting
Cooking?
Getting burgers ready.
Burgers ready? That looks like grilled cheeses.
Classy Liz Natti.
Well, see, this is what you do then. You, I guess, put the burgers on the grilled cheese. Whoop.
Oh.
Look at that.
Oh.
Look at that. At perfect size. I mean, you need a little cheese room, so you gotta do a little cheeseburger. Look at that. Does that not look almost... Oh, we forgot the lettuce and tomato shit on the bottom, but you know what? We might want to put that on the top because it might fit better.
I like it. I like it.
I'm just saying.
You want the bottom to be a base. You want the bottom to be a base.
Where's the picture of the burger?
It's on the laptop.
Oh, well, did they have lettuce and tomato on the bottom?
You know.
Well, why don't we put it on the top?
I like that.
All right.
I like that.
I like that too.
Hey, shots to that, right?
Yeah, can we?
Let's get it rolling.
We got shots?
No. Finish these ones up. Flip those. Are they about ready to be flipped?
No, of course not. You know how the grilled cheese is ready to be flipped?
Let me know.
Is when the butter melts on the top side of the bun. And obviously you can see still butter. So it's not ready to be flipped. But you know what? I'll try it. But I'm telling you, it's not right.
Well, here, take this shot first.
See, it's not, see how lippy it is? Yeah, see, it's not right.
Okay.
They're not right.
You're right.
What am I drinking?
Whiskey.
Of what?
This whiskey.
Origin.
This whiskey comes from Scotland.
Oh my God! It's that McNatty's.
No, it's Grand McMash, which is cousins of McMaster.
There's my natty with McNatty. It's totally disgusting.
What's your preference?
Really?
What's your liquor preference, Liz Natti?
Natty Ice.
Liquor preference, Liz Natti?
Oh. It's gross. Oh. Vodka.
Alright, how's these grilled cheese coming along?
I don't know. I forgot.
These kind of look like they're melting a little bit.
You are right. See the difference? Alright, you see the difference? See how the butter is like there? And the butter is like dissipating? Okay, alright. We're gonna flip them. Look at the difference. Oh, look at that. A perfect.
That is much browner.
That is like the perfect grilled cheese. Perfect. That's what you want. Perfect. That's why you do that. See? Oh, look at that. Perfect. You want grilled cheeses brown? You want them brown, but you don't want them like burnt. See this? The butter is not melted. But we'll do it anyway.
So are you saying brown isn't terrible, but black is unacceptable?
Correctamundo. Except for when you spill that bun. There you go. Got it. Ooh, poke my finger on it. Nobody gonna notice. We're getting there. Alright, so we got the grilled cheeses done. Woo, woo, woo.
Shall we start dressing the previous burgers?
Sure.
Okay.
Wait a minute. I got a dog in my way, and I got a smoke.
Oh, that's not really healthy. Not you, but for us.
Nothing I do is healthy. Except for a cook.
Well-
Cooking is healthy.
Well, some... Alright, let's get it started. Some people will call this a heart attack. I don't...
Man, you retarded.
We'll cut that out. Go ahead.
What?
What's next?
They can't cut that out.
Mom, what's next?
Classic
Liz Natti, what's next?
We need to.
Is there mayo? Is there a sauce going on these burgers?
What do you want? What, make some special sauce?
No. We don't. Alright. Proceed with the dressing of the burgers, I believe.
I guess. We forgot to save your tots.
You can't put this on the camera.
Cut.
We're bringing those.
I knew that. Fucking cheapo. Alright. Should we do like the edit in the tater tots?
I got the oven preheating
Okay.
for the tater
So, you guys could say, what?
It's not important right now. We're focusing on the double grilled cheese because that wasn't in the picture.
Yeah, it was the beginning. I said we're gonna do some tater tots because you
I'm
can't
talking about the burger, not the
forget
chicken.
about potatoes.
Right, they're gonna go in there later.
Oh. Alright.
So, we're not down the burger?
Yeah, we're down a burger. What? What do you want?
Are you dressing the burgers?
Yeah. What's in my other fuckers?
Lettuce.
Yeah.
I guess that's it. We only got lettuce.
They don't have no tomatoes. You
Oh.
don't like onions, so what am I supposed to put on the burgers?
Lettuce and fucking lettuce. You're the only guy. Lettuce.
Alright,
Go.
stop.
Lettuce, please.
Stop it. Alright, quit. My dog's just touching me. I can't handle food. Can't do it. Can't do it. Alright. What? What are you doing? Do we have like any kind of like, I don't know, dressing for the burgers?
No, lettuce is good.
Just lettuce?
They can put on their own dressing. These people aren't retards. They know what they're doing. They can make a sandwich. Look, put whatever you want on a burger. You know what I mean? You want to put lettuce on it? Do that. We didn't cook no bacon. Bacon would be great. But we didn't do that. So whatever. We didn't get tomatoes either. Now you want to put that on it? Go get it. I'm going to put some mayo on my shit. Show them how to put this 2 cheeseburger burger together. Liz Natti. Let's roll.
Alright.
Let's do it.
Alright. I generally take some mayo. Maybe. Mayo. Woo! I like the way it poops out. That's kind of fun. Slam it down in there. And then I'll take some. Shall we do that? Oh, take some ketchup.
Now, if you had a restaurant, what would you call the restaurant?
I don't know. Haven't really thought about that. I would say Nizarati. Nizarati. How about that? How about that for a name?
I like it.
I think if somebody thought of, I like Natty Mac. Mac Natty.
Mac Natty.
Mac Natty. That's kind of cool.
If any of you users have, or subscribers, or viewers have suggestions, please email.
And you can come to my restaurant and I'll make this stuff for you.
Please email at ClassyLizNatty, ClassylizNatti, gmail.com, of course.
Alright, now who's going to be the sample of these big bag puppy boys?
I'll take a great bite. JJ Christ might get into it. The undercover brother might want to get into it.
Undercover brother.
No, he don't want to get into it. Well, he's not on that social media, so we'll leave him out of it.
Horrible.
That's incriminating evidence.
I don't think we really need the relish. But we'll take one of these. Slap on top of there. That looks. Look at that. Without the tomatoes.
Let's put that on a plate. Let's not break the plate.
Oh, we forgot the tomatoes, of course.
Are we gonna?
We can do. You know what I'm saying?
Let's cut that in. All
right. You want to cut it? Cut it. It looks delicious.
Well, I can't cut for shit.
Well, of course not. Because you're retarded. Of course you're my son. But that's okay. Look at that. Look at that. How's that?
I mean, see the cheese? Right there?
Let's try it. I want to try it. You ready? Let's try it. Oops. Isn't that just like a burger? Look at that. Pick it up, Tony. You're trying it with me. You're the semi-host.
Sort of.
You ready?
Go ahead. Ready?
Oops. The dogs are willing. Oh my god.
Amazing.
That was like so good.
That was great. It's been a little rough. It'll get better in the future. But that was the first episode, Cooking Classy, with Liz Natti.
Oh my god.
You can see the email address on the screen, the YouTube address on the screen. Just going throughout.
I'm so
We're
glad I
done.
made this right now.
We're out of here. Peace out.